Welcome to Kish Design Learning Solutions, where you learn it and then do it. This is Lesson 1, creating a new folder on a Windows desktop. This lesson will teach you how to create a new folder on your computer desktop, how to rename it, and how to both delete and restore recycled items. A desktop is the main area that you see when you turn your computer on and log into Windows. It's just like an actual desktop in that it serves as a place for you to place your work on. And guess what? You can create as many folders as you wish. When naming folders, you can use descriptive names up to 200 characters. On the contrary, it's a good idea to keep folder names shorter rather than longer. The process of creating a folder is simple and similar on most computer desktops. But today, I'll be focusing on Windows Desktop. Here you have my Windows Desktop. To create the folder, you will right-click on the desktop, select New, then choose Folder. And voila, a new folder icon appears. After you create a folder, you will need to give it a more meaningful name. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you a common way to rename a folder on your desktop. Okay, let's learn how to remove an item from your desktop, also known as recycling. This basically boils down to if you do not want an item on your desktop, then you can simply delete it. In this demonstration, I will use the right-click method to remove this folder. Pay close attention to the recycle bin. At this point, it has nothing in it. The folder has been removed from the desktop, as you can see, and it is now in the recycle bin. Notice that the bin's image has changed to indicate that it now has trash inside. To permanently delete the bin, you'd right-click and choose the Empty Recycle Bin option. But be careful, because if you do this, your folder will permanently be deleted from your computer. Of course, you can always go back to the bin and restore your folder, provided that you have not permanently emptied the recycle bin. Double-click. Select the folder that you want to recover. Click Restore the selected item. And your folder has been restored back to the desktop. Thanks for wanting to be a computer literate human being, and thank you for watching this demonstration. I truly believe that you are a rock star.